Here's everything you need to know about concrete overlay cost, 2026 pricing by type. Here's what you need to know. Concrete overlay cost in 2026 runs 3 to 15 per square foot installed. Pricing breakdown by overlay type, square foot, and full project. Quick answer. Concrete overlay cost in 2026 runs 3 to 15 per square foot installed, with broom-finish resurfacing at the low end and stamped or polished overlays at the high end. The biggest cost driver is surface preparation. A properly prepped overlay over a sound slab lasts 15 to 25 years. Concrete overlay cost in North Carolina averages 3 to 15 per square foot in 2026, with broom-finish resurfacing starting near 3 per square foot and stamped or polished overlays reaching 15 per square foot. A standard 600 square foot driveway resurfaced with a polymer-modified broom finish overlay runs $1,800 to $4,800. A 400 square foot stamped patio overlay runs $2,800 to $6,000. Surface preparation through shot blasting or diamond grinding adds 1 to 3 per square foot, but is non-negotiable for bond strength. An overlay is appropriate only when the existing slab is structurally sound, free of settlement, and shows no moisture vapor emission from below. Local concrete contractor installs polymer-modified overlays across Charlotte, Raleigh, Winston-Salem, Greensboro, Mooresville, and Statesville. Homeowners pay nothing until the overlay is complete, cured, and sealed. Service life with proper sealing every 3 to 4 years ranges from 15 to 25 years. Moving on to concrete overlay pricing by type and square foot. Concrete overlay cost in 2026 falls between 3 and 15 per square foot installed, with the type of finish driving most of the spread. The table below covers the 6 finishes local concrete installs most often across Charlotte, Raleigh, Winston-Salem, and the Lake Norman corridor. 2026 cost per square feet. Broom finish overlay. Next up, cost by project size. Most homeowners think in projects, not square feet. So here is what overlay costs look like for the 4 most common North Carolina jobs. 600 square feet driveway, broom finish overlay, $1,800 to $4,800 installed. 400 square feet patio, stamped overlay, $2,800 to $6,000 installed. 500 square feet pool deck, stained overlay, $2,500 to $5,000 installed. 450 square feet 2-car garage, self-leveling overlay, $2,250 to $4,500 installed. Let's talk about what actually drives overlay cost. 6 variables explain most of the spread in overlay pricing. None of them are line items you will see on a one-page bid, which is why 2 contractors can quote the same patio at $2,400 and $5,800 and both believe they are honest. Here's the deal with 1. Surface preparation. Subscribe for more concrete tips. Thanks for watching.